Hello, I'm Luke from Waves, your tech reviewer, and today we are reviewing the new OLED TV from Sony, the XR65R80J. So we'll start by unboxing the TV. We're then going to show you the 3 different ways you can fix the stand to actually suit your home environment, and then we're going to install it on the wall. Because it's such a big TV, this one's a 65 inch, I'm going to need a little help. So my dad will help me unbox the TV. Let's get started. This particular TV comes in 3 different sizes, the 77 inch, the 65 and the 55. This TV stand can be arranged in 3 different ways, so Sony have really thought about the design of this TV, and we touch on this later in the video and show you the 3 ways this TV stand fits to the TV. Be very careful when handling the TV, the screen is really thin and I'm pretty certain it could be easily damaged. The stand for the TV simply clicks in position. We're now going to measure the TV stand so you'll know if it will fit on your TV cabinet, and yes, we do sell tape measures. Always make sure you've got enough room that if the TV accidentally got knocked, it wouldn't fall off your cabinet. That one sits at 103.7 centimeters. You will need a screwdriver if you're going to adjust the TV stand, and it did seem a bit confusing, but maybe easier if I read the instructions. 104.4 centimeters, but it's now higher to take a soundbar so it don't obscure the TV screen. So the height is 6.7 centimeters. I love that it has the option that you can put a soundbar underneath the TV without it getting in the way of the screen. So you've now got a measurement of 69 centimeters across and only 2 centimeters high. We're not keeping the TV like this. As I said earlier, we're going to put the TV on the wall, so we're going to do that right now. The Visa wall mounts are 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters apart. Before we put it on the wall, let's take a look at the back of the TV. So on the left hand side, you've got your power socket. You've then got your 30 by 30 centimeter Visa wall mount, your aerial socket, 2 satellite, Ethernet, optical, 3 HDMIs, the middle one being EARC and ARC, which is your 4K 120Hz. You've got your USB, and then round the side, you've got your main HDMI number 1 input, 2 more USBs, they're both the 5 volt, 500 milliamp, the headphone jack 3.5, and your center speaker in with your cam module slot. Right, I'm going to grab the remote and let's turn this on. Sony have 2 remote controls out at the minute, the standard one and the backlit premium remote, and unfortunately this TV is the standard one. So I'm now just setting up the TV, inputting all my network information, tuning in the channels. I've also connected this to Sky TV, so I'll be reviewing the telly on Freeview, Sky and on YouTube so I can get some 4K content. I've been checking out the picture on both Freeview HD and Sky HD as well as YouTube, and the picture is good on all of them. Obviously when you're watching it through standard definition, so if you're on say Freeview, just number 1, the picture is fine but it's not clear. As soon as you go to 101, which is BBC One in HD, you've got yourself a good picture. This is the same with every TV. Anything that's watching standard definition does not look good. If it's in HD and you've got a premium TV like this, it looks amazing. The way I'm filming this doesn't do the picture any justice. We've got a big window behind me and we have fluorescent lights above, which has given lots of reflection in the screen, but believe me, the picture on this is very, very good. I'm now going to head over to YouTube to put some 4K content on so you can see just how crystal clear the picture is. These new Sony TVs take vision and sound to the next level with the ingenious Cognitive Processor XR. It understands how humans see and hear, providing a whole new experience that immerses you completely in the scene. With the new XR OLED contrast, colour and contrast are boosted in bright areas so you can enjoy exceptional levels of pure black contrast and peak brightness. With the XR Triluminous Pro, the TV reproduces colours in a way that we find beautiful. It has a wider palette of colours with an enhanced range of hue and saturation, allowing natural shades and precise details to be seen, even in dark scenes. With XR HDR Remaster, the TV can detect each object on screen, analyse its colour and adjust contrast for even more realistic pictures. Object-based processing powered by the Bravia XR takes precision to a whole new level by adding adjustments of hue, saturation, brightness, motion vector, bandwidth and more. The result is exceptionally real scenes with greater depth, lifelike textures and natural colours. This TV also has another really good feature. It has Acoustic Surface Audio Plus, so basically the TV screen is the speaker. It also has a front-facing subwoofer, providing powerful bass and ensures you won't miss anything that happens on the screen. As you can see, we have this TV set up through the Sonos Arc soundbar. However, I did disconnect that and listen to it just through the TV. The sound is very powerful. However, as personal preference, I always like it through a soundbar. Sony has packed some environmental features into this product. It has dynamic backlight control, which helps improve energy efficiency by adjusting display brightness as the picture content changes. Also, the power saving mode helps save energy by adjusting the display brightness. And it has a display off mode, which helps save energy by turning the picture display off without needing to put the TV into full standby mode, so you can still listen to audio. So that's the end of my unboxing review for the Sony XR65R80J. It's an outstanding TV, and with the Acoustic Surface Audio Plus, the sound quality is amazing. You don't need to buy an expensive sound system to go with this TV. It works perfectly fine just as it is. So I would highly recommend this TV. At the time of doing this review, it's a £2,699 price mark. It's a premium TV, comes with your 5-year warranty. And if you wanted to buy one, I will put my link below. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that now. Like it and leave me a comment. I'll see you in the next review.